I know the name's Mid-Year Mitch, but you can't hate on the C1. Alright, so right now I'm getting ready to head to the body shop and check out another project. Let's go and check on that Vette. That's one way to do it, I guess. Let's see. Let's see, Corvette. So here's the next project on the channel. It is a 1960 Corvette. This is a Fuelie car. It has the original engine, which is not in it currently. It has the original Fuelie unit also. Those are back at home in a different garage. So this car originally is a ermine white car with a code delete, so it is all white with a factory red interior. And it has about 68,000 miles on the odometer. And it's pretty well stripped out, just a couple more pieces here and there to go. So this car has almost all the original ermine white paint on it underneath this gray primer. So to strip it, we're going to strip off the primer, strip off the paint, and then the remaining layers of primer that are underneath it, and we're going to use a chemical process to do this. But the body's in really nice shape. This door has been removed. We just have to remove the dash. I really do like the interior in the C1 though. It's completely different than the C2. This is a really cool retro style, just like the whole car. Whatever's left on this car shouldn't take very long. There's not a whole lot left here. Greg did a lot of work to strip all the stuff off of it, so we'll get that stuff taken off and then we'll start stripping paint. So here's the rest of the fiberglass that was removed from the car. There's a couple pieces that go in the trunk, the hood, and then here's the passenger door here, which, like I said, has all original paint on it. Alright, so I hope the lighting's okay. I want to talk a little bit about what that Corvette was we just went and saw at the body shop. Also, I want to apologize. This Beamer has a terrible squeak at the front end right now, so you have to ignore that sound. I don't know how well that comes up on the GoPro, but just ignore that for now. Alright, so that 60 that you saw was owned by our great friend Frank, who also owned the split window. So that car actually predates the split window. He bought that car, I think it was late 60s he bought it. I'll have to double check the date. But it was running and driving up till 71. So he was kind of drag racing that car, and he hot rodded it a little bit just with engine swaps. He didn't cut up the body or anything like that. The car is the original 1960 Fuelie car. It's the high horsepower Fuelie. I think it's to double check on the transmission. It's a Super T10, I know that. And he had crazy gears in it. He had like 456s or something, and he was getting ready to do some racing in it and stuff. But he put in 1970 or 71, he put in the original LT1. The original to the series, obviously not to that car. It would have been a 283 from the factory, but he put that in. Him and his buddies were kind of hot rodding the cars around, so they put that in it, and they were getting it to fire up, and it either backfired or something happened, and it caught the passenger fender on fire. So they pushed it outside, they put the fire out, and they got some fiberglass work done on that side, and the whole car was primed, but it was never painted, never got back on the road. And after that happened, in I think 1976, he bought that split window, and it was stolen and stripped in 81 or 82. And then he bought it back from the insurance company after it was recovered, and it sat in the stall that was on the far right. The middle stall had a couple different Corvettes in it, and then in the left stall sat that 60. So those cars sat together side by side from 80, well, whenever he bought them, to until we bought the split window, which was in the early 2000s. So I'm really excited that I'm going to be a part of working on this car, not only because it's you know, was once Frank's car, and it's I've never worked on a solid axle car before. I've never worked on a 63 is the oldest car I've worked on. So it'll be nice to work on something a little bit older, a little bit different, completely different style Corvette, you know, mechanically and in appearance. So it'll be cool to check that out and play with that. So we're gonna strip down whatever's left on it, and then we'll start stripping paint and see what other kind of fiberglass repairs it may need. But it looks like a really, really solid virgin car, because it really wasn't on the road all that long. You know, I mean, it was born and built in 1960, and it was parked since 1970 or 71, so that's 10 or 11 years. So it's not really a long time for a car. And it looked like it had almost 70,000 miles on the odometer. So, I mean, it really wasn't driven that. I mean, it was driven, but it didn't have a few 100,000 miles on it or something. So it was preserved well. So it'll be exciting to start working on that. And so the split window is not, I'm not going to be holding off on working on that. I'm going to work on that in the evenings and stuff still. So we'll still be working on that. We'll just be working on a different car to help that car come together, and it'll be put together by the same body shop that put the split window together. So it'll be cool to see both cars that Frank owned restored around the same time, and they'll be on the road about the same time, and they'll be painted by the same painter. And it'll be cool that Greg and I will both have hands in working on both of those cars. So it'll be exciting. So it's coming together. So if you're wondering, that's why there's another Corvette on the channel. So it's not mine, it's not my dad's. So each one of us has one Corvette. That's what's going to go on the channel. I'll be having maybe weekly updates on that car and other cars that are in the body shop, just kind of keeping pace with that. So I'll keep you updated with that. So if you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. This is the first time I've done like an in-car, I guess you call it a vlog update. So be sure to check it out. There's going to be a lot on the split window and a lot on the 60. Eventually I'll do something on my dad's 65. So we have all kind of cars to keep track of. Pallet cop car, I haven't seen those in a long time. But be sure to check that out. Once, like I said again, subscribe, like the video. I appreciate you guys watching. We've been getting a lot of new subscribers to the channel, a lot of extra views to the channel. So I really appreciate all of the people joining together for the channel. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I'm trying to get a bigger following here. So I really appreciate all the help and all the support. So I got a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later. It's a Corvette channel, what can I say?